it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay it.
At this point, I really should, give up every other human hair wig company that I have had because I'm just so in love with UNICE. Y'all knew what it was before y'all even clicked on the video. Y'all knew this was a UNICE wig. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. I've been kind of slacking a little bit. If you're an older goodie, welcome back. Please subscribe though, because I'm trying to hit this 70K, and once I hit the 70K, I'm gonna give away 7 human hair wigs, and they will be some UNICE wigs that I am giving away because they are my most favorite. All I've done was take this out the packaging because y'all know I do everything on camera with y'all, so we can be realistic and honest in what you will get when you get this unit home. So the wig comes in that iconic pink box that UNICE is known for. Then if we open it up, take out all the extras. Not only do we have the wig, UNICE includes the things that come standard in all their wigs. You have a silk storage case with their branding on it, some HD wig caps, an edge brush with a replaceable head, and an edge band. Okay, so the wig that I picked up, because y'all know I'm by ease. So it's a 7x5 ByByNots lace wig. It is 24 inches long and it is a water wave. This is one of my most favorite wigs that UNICE makes. I purchased this wig over and over and over again because it is that dope. Let's take it out of this plastic so we can look at the cap construction up close. UNICE also included some of their ByByNots tabs in these wigs, which I use these on all of my wigs, just not this one. These are a lifesaver as well, and they give you quite a bit. So y'all know it's all about affordability. UNICE is extremely affordable. They even have payment options. It's all about quality, 100% on the quality every time. My biggest thing is it beginner friendly? How easy is it? Because I cannot comb hair. UNICE has completely changed the game with these ByByNots wigs with everything already done. They even already had a baby hair swoop for you. Look. Look at that up close. And this is just it right out. That's my nails you see poking through. This is it right out of the pack. It doesn't get any easier than this, guys. As far as the cap construction, they have that cap construction that I absolutely love. You get that 7x5 parting space, which is perfect for me. It doesn't overwhelm me like a 13x4 or 13x6. You also have a comb in the back with adjustable straps. You also have an adjustable glueless band. And my most favorite, you have the drawstring. Drawstring has completely changed the game for me. It makes the wig feel so flush on my head. Okay, so this is the unit right out of the pack. Very, very beautiful. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my head just to show you how easy it is. All I'm gonna have to do is spray this down with some water, run my fingers through it, and I'll be good to go. Let's wait. Oh, something else I meant to show y'all, because I didn't say that in the last one. I also want you to see how stretchy this cap is too, by the way. So that speaks to how comfortable the units are on my head. All right, so let's put this on my head. I'll wet it with water, give you the 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. play it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest, honest. That's just a game we know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you. Long before it all becomes, still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest, honest. That's just a game we know. We both can play. For tonight,
Alright guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig by UNICE, and just like every other wig that I get from UNICE, top notch. This wig definitely checked all the boxes for me. Affordability, super affordable. Some of the most affordable human hair that you can get on the market right now. The quality on this is top notch. Of course, no shedding, no tangling, but I wouldn't get into that because there wasn't anything to cut off. So all I had to do was wet this, run my fingers through it, no shedding, no tangling. It's awesome. And then my number one thing is beginner friendliness, because I cannot comb hair. The fact that I can get a wig straight out of the box and put it on my head, wet it, do very little to it, and it look like this, gives this wig a 10 out of 10 in my book. So I can definitely recommend that you pick this one up. If you don't want this length, I think I got 24 inches. If you don't want this length, I can promise you, because I've had it before, this wig is super cute in a shorter length as well. I don't have a single con about this one. This is one that I love. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are, because I'm in love with this one. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye guys.
long before it all becomes, still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't